Markley Reviews. This is a review of the Eufy S220 Video Doorbell, and as you can probably tell, this is actually shot on the doorbell. This is the Eufy app, so if we click on doorbell, this gives you a live preview of what's going on outside. You can pinch and zoom if you want to. It's 2K quality, so the resolution is pretty good. It's not 4K, but you know, you can see quite a bit of detail there. You can record clips live. So that's recording. When I hit stop, that'll then save to my phone's memory. You can edit your clips. You can push this button and talk to whoever's at the door. So if you're outside right now, you can hear me talking. You can put it on silent mode so that it won't ring. And you can send an automatic voice response if you don't feel like actually talking. So you can say, "Excuse me, can I help you?" Also in the app, you can go to events, and this will show you a list of all the things that have been picked up. So you can see there, it's picked up me because I have myself stored in there. It's picked up a vehicle. Earlier this morning, it picked up a car driving outside, and it just decided to record it in case it became important. This was from last night. It picked me up coming out of the car and coming back into the house. This is what it looks like at night time. And this is actually from the making of this video. I didn't hit record on this, it just picked up that I was out there and it started recording me. To put it back in, slot it up at the top, push the bottom in, and that's you. The mounting bracket is secured to the wall using 2 screws here, and the camera can just click in and out. There's also a hole at the back here if you want to pass wires through, where you hardwire the camera. If you want to hardwire the camera, these screws are where your wires would go. You can use your existing doorbell wires if you have an electric doorbell already. They just screw on there and that'll power this continuously. You don't have to recharge it then. But if you want to use the battery mode like we do, you need to remove this little cover. It was connected, but after taking it on and off a few times, the little bit that connected it actually broke off, but it doesn't affect anything. You just plug in the USB-B charging cable like this, and when you're finished charging, just pop this little cover back in place and that'll waterproof it for you. You're not going to worry about any water getting down into the system and ruining it. So it's quite a smart design, reasonably low profile. The mounting plate comes up to where this line is here. The good thing about the Eufy Video Doorbell compared to others is that there's no monthly subscription, where some of them you have to pay monthly subscription to be able to use all the features. Eufy has everything for you straight out of the box. This did come with a chime, but we don't use that because we have the home base, which is part of the Eufy security ecosystem, and we have other cameras from Eufy as well. So that does the chime for us, and it also connects to your smart home devices like Amazon's Alexa or Google Home, and that will also notify you when someone's at the door. Overall, I'm really happy with this doorbell. We've been using it now for about 2 years, and it picks up people coming in and out of the street. It'll tell you if there's a car or a person outside. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this. There are other models available that have cameras down at the bottom here as well, which will point down if you get a package delivered or something. You can keep an eye on that too. But this one works pretty well for us. We might change it at some point, but for now it's perfect. If you'd like to pick one of these up for yourself, there's a link in the description down below where you can pick it up from Amazon. I do get a small commission from that, which would really help to keep the channel going and help me make more videos. If not, don't worry, no biggie. I hope you've enjoyed this review. If you have, remember to smash the like button, subscribe for more reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.